Hello, you lovely viewers of Love Life with Gardening. I've been remiss. I have not made any videos so far in 2024, but you know what? I've been tired. Tired. Is it because I'm middle-aged? Is it because the weather's weird? Is it because, I don't know, so many upsetting things happening in the world? Well, whatever the case may be, I'm back and I'm in my HQ at the moment. My lovely 3 meter by 2 meter polytunnel, which is full of vegetable seedlings and flower seedlings. And I'm on a mad marathon to get them out. Today is the last day of May, and really, in theory, I should have gotten them all in the ground by now. But, you know, do what you can. So I'll give you a little tour around my HQ. All right. Hundreds and hundreds of plants, and kind of unlikely I will probably ever plant all of them. The ones I don't, I will just leave out the front with a sign saying plants to give away, and they usually go within 24 hours. So where should I start? Start at the very beginning. These are kale plants, and those are sweet pepper plants. And then we've got a whole lot of tomatoes, because I'm really insane when it comes to tomatoes. And these are aubergine plants. And what's really cool is I've now understood why they're called eggplants, because this particular variety makes an aubergine that looks like a peeled white boiled egg. And I'm super excited. I have never seen them for real. I've just seen it on the seed packet. So we're going to see what they look like. There's coriander. For some reason, I had super difficulty getting more than one to germinate, but hey ho. And these are hot peppers, scotch bonnets, and jalapenos. And more hot peppers. And these are broccoli. More tomatoes. And loads of basil. And that is a Savoyard cabbage. More kale. These are cauliflowers. These are zinnia flowers. More tomatoes. Sweet peas, sunflowers, marigolds, more zinnias, the second flower I don't know the name of, and some butternut squash. Et voila! So many exciting things going on. Ooh! Oh, and more broccoli down there. And then look at that as your ending visual treat. That is a beautiful snapdragon flower that's kind of made it all the way through the winter with no watering, nothing, and voila. So yes, this is my happy place at the moment. What is your happy place? Tell me in the comments.